Y'all know what time it is when I come on here looking like this. It's install time. Today's hair is provided to us by Asteria. This is my first time seeing what's inside of the box, so we're about to unbox it together. No idea how I'm about to do my hair or what this hair looks like. Ooh, okay. We have our usual edge brush. We have our edge band. We have our lashes. We have our extra bald cap in a beautiful bag. Thank you, Asteria. And let's get into this hair. It says this is HD lace, medium size cap. Thank goodness, because y'all, I have locks. 180% density, 20 inches. All right, let's see what we're working with. She's pretty. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think she's ready to go. These are the edges off of the rip. Y'all, they look beautiful. Inside of the wig. We have 3 combs total. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that is so pretty. That's very pretty. Look at that. Okay. Asteria hair right out the box, very cute. I'm actually liking this length. Let's see. All right, let's get the installing. This lace looks so good. This is definitely a wonderful HD lace. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is glue this bad boy on down. And I guess from there, I honestly don't even want to do edges the way how nice this looks, but let's just get it glued down first to see what we're gonna do. Because this is so clean, so clean.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though.
I didn't intend on having to do a voiceover right here, but I'm pretty much speaking about how the glue that I'm using, the Eben, it's really, really good. However, I do not suggest you use this Eben glue or any combination of an Eben glue or any of these free sprays. I don't suggest you to go out to the club or something with it, because I did that before, and yeah, as you see, yeah, I said that my wig was doing the Ray J challenge. I think the sweat kind of lifts it, but I mean like intense sweat, not like, oh, I'm just a quick perspire. I mean like, club type level and also other type level sweat. I don't suggest you wear just a glued on wig, sprayed on wig. I suggest you glue that baby on down. We're gonna let this band stay on the hair for a little while, just so it can get its dry end up. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet the entire thing. I wanna enhance its natural curl pattern. We're gonna run our brush through it, wet it, and style it just pretty much naturally with the middle part and do some edges. But y'all already know the styling of this unit will be on my TikTok, so go to my TikTok at @elmichelle. All right. Ooh. That's that even. But forget the even. Can we have a moment for this lace? Okay, Asteria. All right, stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me, Asteria. Goodness gracious. They said HD lace. HD. I don't even want to cut the damn lace. Y'all, I haven't done anything to this head yet. I don't even want to give myself edges. It's, I usually cut out me doing my edges, but I left the entire cutting of my edge process in this video. So if you don't want to see me cut it in its entirety, you can fast forward. But I want you guys to see that it's not just so easy. I even still struggle with it. Probably easier to cut your ear tabs before you put it on your head. Yeah. I could go outside like this right now, y'all. This isn't even styled yet. There's so much lace, so much lace. And I'm really, really excited to style this, so you guys know where to go to find it. This is the unit styled for all of my non-TikTokers. I love this unit by Asteria. The lace is immaculate, and I love how natural the curls came out. This unit pretty much came ready to go, and I definitely rank it pretty high amongst the units I've received.